Our Hiligaynon word for the day is paamot. Paamot. Paamot in English means to collect, cause or request to contribute, a collection or a contribution. Let us have the following example sentences. Magbuhat kita sing isa ka paamot. Let us get up a collection or let us make up a collection. Buhat is like to make, kita is like all of us, isa is one, and then paamot is a collection or a contribution. Magbuhat kita sing isa ka paamot. Paamuta sila sing tagnapulo ka sentimos. Let them contribute 10 centavos each. Paamuta sila, so they paamot, and then tagnapulo is like 10, and then centimos is like cents. So paamuta sila sing tagnapulo ka sentimos. Paamuti ang bago nga simbahan. So try to get contributions for the new church. Bago is new and then a simbahan is a church. Ginpaamutan niya sa ila ang mga lingganay. So he or she made them contribute towards the bells. So lingganay is a bell and then ila is they, niya is he or she. Ginpaamutan niya sa ila ang mga lingganay. And that is all about for our Hiligaynon word for the day, which is paamot. I do hope you learned something new and see you in the next one. Bye!